Collaborative Technology Plan by Megan Jordan, Charmaine Lowe, Seth Fisher, and Ernest Heisman. Overview of the technology plan: who, what, where, when, and how. Mission statement. Our mission is to enrich the learning environment by the uses of technology to help students become proficient and comfortable using different types of technology. Students will also gain an understanding of how technology can be used and helped in today's society. As technology is always changing for the better, faculty, staff, and students are continuing to change as well. This change will incorporate new technologies while still teaching the best practice of use of technology. Vision. Our vision is to create an advanced networking school district that harnesses the potential of technology and provides students with meaningful learning opportunities. This vision will help to prepare them for a higher tech workforce and experience in the 21st century. As the technology advances, so will the educational experience that we provide for our students to become effective communicators, leaders, productive members of society. Value statement. Our value statement is going to be empower students through technology experiences to become effective communicators, leaders, and productive workers in society. Number 2, discovering and adapting to new technologies, advances available that allow the 21st century student to network and learn through multiple platforms of knowledge. Number 3 is cultivating innovative problem solvers who are capable of viewing problems, are flexible, and ultimately reach a collaborative goal or outcome. Number 4, promoting a team-driven atmosphere for students and stakeholders to create an environment where all items are shared and goals are set, but ultimately reaching a common goal. Number 5, integrating technology in primary and secondary settings to enhance educational experience and expose children to current and progressional technology advances. SMART goals. Our first SMART goal is going to be related to infraction learning space included in the needs for enhanced broadband/Wi-Fi. The desired outcome to replace existing technology with a new high-speed wireless broadband. Moving forwards, we plan to implement a 5-year plan to upgrade or replace existing technologies systems through the district, primary, secondary, and Board of Education to support the needs of staff, teachers, and students with more efficient and effectiveness. Our goal is to create a progressive technology school community that will support our students to be innovative and competitive members in a global society. Year 1, we will be placing a broadwidth to 250 MBS and updating routers and WAPS and switches. Broadband then will be upgraded to 350 MBS, and in year 3, broadband will be 500 MBS, and in year 4, finalizing purchases, and in year 5 is to have 100% of our Chromebooks being used by staff and students. SMART Goal 2. SMART Goal 2, students will utilize Chromebooks in all content areas to increase engagement, advancement, and progress towards the International Society of Technology in Education. Centers as event by learning walkthroughs, data, and standardized test results. Teachers will be provided with effective professional development as well as work with mentors, teachers to set goals and monitor progression towards school technology goals. Goal 3. Goal 3, in this goal, students, along with the direction of staff and staff members, will be able to apply, incorporate technology in their learning environments, also interacting with each other one-on-one and also with teachers, and also having the public relations of understanding the ways they should use technology and ways they shouldn't. The research. For Goal 1, the strategies. This district committee will research appropriate bidders to receive the best money for their buck. Also, the decision to provide will be decided at the December meeting for that. After that, the district will use E-rated funds to pay for 50% of infraction overhauls. And in 3, we'll list all of the necessary wireless equipment that is made for the technology. Goal 2, strategies. All students will have access to Chromebooks to utilize in and out of classrooms. Provide educator with effective and also relative professional development. Have report dates for teachers participating in week technology explorations. Also being able to have the engagement with the students and also have standardized testing to make sure the students are understanding what they need to. Goal 3. Each teacher will have a pacing guide and being able to make sure that you're using the technology that is it for that. Students will also, and faculty will also have collaborations between each other to make sure that the technology is being used correctly. There will be hands-on for all the students with the teachers, and also teachers will have planning to make sure that they are able to get everything done with that. 21st century. In the 21st century, we will make sure that there is creativity between the students, being able to have that open relationship with the with the other students and also with the teachers to make sure that they are able to study on things and understand things that they want to. Communication to make sure that everybody is understanding what's going on, and if anything is misunderstood, being able to clarify that. Collaboration is being able to work with each other and being able to help solve a problem. And in critical thinking, the ability to gather everything while also being able to fix the problem while using new plans. ISTE standards. For the students, there will be communication and collaboration. For that, they will make sure that they have upgraded the different technologies. Also, we will make sure that all the Chromebooks are working correctly and that they are given to the students. And also, we will make sure that we connect the learning environments so the students can read them outside of school. Next one, for educators, what we will do is we will upgrade, make sure everything's upgraded for them, and also be able to inspire the students to find answers and seek solutions. The Chromebooks will also be used one-on-one with those. Also, professional growth will be given to the educators so they can learn what they need to that, and digital citizenship to make sure that the educators know what they need to withhold and also to help the students withhold that too. Last, administrators, to make sure that they have a vision of where we need to go. Also making sure that they are positive digital citizens, and also to make sure that there's professional practice in those two in that area. Working ahead. So with teaching, what they will need is there are going to be resources that they will be using that will help them engage with other students and also have virtual lessons to be able to connect with the students outside of classroom and also inside. To make sure that everything is taken care of and everything is flowing, possibly there will be a time set on different things to make sure that we can have those assessments done so we can make sure that we are going over those assessments to see where we're at while also collaborating about those assessments. Also, we will make sure that the student is receiving 21st century life skills while using the technology. Also, the team will be driven to make sure that these technologies are used in a proper educational way and be able to communicate with the student and also each other to make sure that we are doing this correctly and have the leadership that will also support us. Technologies, there will be standardized testing. Also, if the student is not understanding, we will make sure that there is a knowledge retention for that and also engaging in them and also helping them see the different things in the workforce. And these are going to be the references that we used for the program. Thank you so much for listening.